Good evening, DCOM 20, Monroe near 490. Car crash. The woman's still sitting in it. Probably not hurt. Police, firefighters, and the victim, probably. I don't see another car. Maybe it was a hit and run. Maybe it was a Kia. Is there a Kia boy around here in Rochester tonight? March 25, 2025, near the Fire Glass Studio, where illegal parking will result in people being towed, which means everybody except for customers will be towed. However, DCOM 20 is special, and it is after hours. There's a couple EMS fellas. Actually, there's the cops. They were over here looking at the professional office suites building. They walked from over here and walked around that building, and then are returning to the scene. The driver of that vehicle with the crushed right front appears to be an Asian female. No word on what's going on. Seems to be a lot of police cars here for a fender bender, but only one car is seen. Possibly other shenanigans going on. Police were walking around that building. One fire truck, numerous police cars with cops walking around the professional office suites building across from the Fire Glass Studio, Monroe. There it is. On Monroe near 490. This is DCOM 20. Thank you.